Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States, in the Pacific Northwest, in Little Belfair, Washington. Yes, so welcome to my channel everybody. This is January 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 18. Now yes, you're going to hear the whirring of my heater as it's very cold. It is snowing, so I'm going to move the whiteboard. Oops, there goes the stamp set. But before I go over Paper Pumpkin, I want to show you some photos. So this is Lucy and Boone, and this was yesterday's photo. And what you can see here is snow, right? And what you didn't see is they were watching Hank slide down the driveway here. So I thought I would share that with you. I mentioned it in yesterday's video, but this is them looking outside. No, they could not go outside and play with Hank out there. Oops. And then this is what we woke to this morning. Look at that. Snow. So Hank and my daughter couldn't go to school to work today because the snow, right? What you don't see is this is my car. Her car's way up here. There's no way she can get down the driveway. Though her father told her to park down here. But anyways, they did plow. Oh, actually, sorry. No, she's parked down here. She didn't get up there. Anyways, Hank and her were just sledding. So anyways, thought I would show you that. There's the pictures. And there's Lucy and Boone. So thought I would share that with you. So let's get on with today's video. So let's take a look at Paper Pumpkin for January 2025's Valentine's themes. So you could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. You would have received 9 real red envelopes that are solid on the inside, but the outside has these diagonal lines. On the back, as always, there's a QR code to lead you to a video that would show you how to put the kit together as it was designed. This here is a QR code that would lead you to, where are they? I just had them. I had them out. Okay, here they are. The new set of add-on dies that go with January, February, and March Paper Pumpkin kits called Spring is in the Air. It's a set of 5 dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 2 will have images. This is, of course, a bee, the honeycomb, the heart. You can see it does a solid image, and then all of these are the scallop bits, and I keep them in these envelopes magnetic sheets and envelopes I got from Amazon, just so if you were asking. And this is a visual of everything in the kit, and then the coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, sounds like somebody's got their bike out riding in the snow. Oh, as I was saying, after video number 5, I just move on. But videos 1 through 5, if you want to go have a look, I do show you everything in detail of what comes in the kit. But after that, we just kind of move on from there. So this is a look at what the stamps were. It says, you have my heart, you, a solid heart, a outline heart, this little leaf, love, celebrate you, you're my favorite. And you guys know I love bringing in other stamps. This card is inspired from a card I got from Lori. Yes. So here is Lori's card. Absolutely loved it. This was using the Just a Note from December 2024's Paper Pumpkin, right? Right here. So we are going to use this as our inspiration. So let me show you what we have. So my center panel here is going to be a little wider because I wanted to use this heart from the kit. So this is a real simple one, guys. So we have a white envelope. Layer number 1 are 2 1/2 inch strips of black. They're 1/2 inch by 5.5. Layer number 2, and this is part of the card base from the kit. This is 3 inches by 5.5. Our card base is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Just a regular card base. And this, of course, is the laser die cut heart gold champagne foil. Like I just call it gold. And then I have the rectangle sentiment strip from December's Paper Pumpkin kit. Now this piece, if you don't have it, this is like 3/4 of an inch by, let's say, 3 inches. And that's because we're going to be using Lots of Love from the December Paper Pumpkin kit for this one. This is not going to take anything at all. This is a real simple one, because I plan on doing 2 videos, and I'm using, the next card is also inspired from a card. Oh, and then one more layer. So this is 7/8 of an inch by 4 inches, and I'm using that Take Your Pick punch because we're going to flag it. Now, you of course don't have to use the punch to flag it, but I thought I would. So why is it 7/8 of an inch? Because it goes in easier than the 1 inch. It just seems to work easier for me to get it in and out. So there we have it. I can stick that back away. And we are going to, I don't even think I need to bring in, I just need the real red. Oh, I will bring in the Stampin' Pierce mat. Might as well. It's right within reach. Don't need that, otherwise I really can't see. We're going to use that Lots of Love, because this could be a happy anniversary. This could be just thinking of you. It can be whatever you want it to be. We're just going to stamp Lots of Love. Now I am going to stamp my envelope. You guys know I'm going to stamp the envelope. Of course I'm going to stamp the envelope. But I'm only going to use the little leaf because I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the inside for right now. This inside of this is going to be blank. So I'm just going to put these little leaves here because it has the leaves in the gold foil. That's all I'm going to put on here for now. Yeah, you guys know me. Huh? You guys are thinking, yeah, that's not what she's going to do, huh? So which heart went with this kit? I think it's this one. This one is from another stamp set. We're going to add a little heart. Why? Because I can. Do I want the heart? I'm going to stamp off the heart. I want it lighter. I just want to add a little heart on top. And right there. There we go. Just a little heart. This has hearts and leaves. We can get away with that. And that's it, because I'm not putting anything on the inside. I'm going to leave the inside blank. This was meant to be quick and simple, no fuss on this card. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to glue these strips like this and like this. Please, oh, I didn't check this. So let's hope the glue starts to come out. See, that just had to pull out of there. Now it should work. I want about 1/4 of an inch showing. I can hear others out there enjoying the snow. Me, I am not going out in the snow, not with my knee. I did get to do some yoga today, some standing yoga, some stretches. Can't really get on my knee and do any floor yoga, so it's all about doing some standing yoga. I got to do some core workout because with my back I gotta do work on my core exercises. Not as good as I was before I went into surgery, having a total week off. I am like, like, oh, a whole week off of my workout has really put me behind. So there's my center panel. Now, that. I can see that my card base is a little too big, so I'm going to trim it down. I'm reaching for my guillotine. So, oh, it is, see? I wasn't very careful when I cut it, but now it should be perfect. I knew these were cut right, so let's take a look at it now. Much better. Much, much better, but now those look like they need to be trimmed, and I can trim those off. Okay, I'm gonna glue these down. Don't know why that is, but every time I do this, like on black, I think of dominoes. The dominoes game, right? You know? Let's go ahead and do some dots here. Now I know I'm going to be trimming this off because either I did it. Now guys, I'm just eyeballing the center here. Apparently I really did trim it either too far or not far enough. I'm going to scoot that over a little bit because we want that white border like Lori's card was. I'm going to bring it up to the top. You can see there. It just needs a little trimming is all. So there's our center panel. Where is my inspiration card? I just had it. Oh, it's right under the Stampin' Pierce mount. So see, my white sections here just are a little smaller because I wanted the heart. See, the heart, if I made it exact dimensions, my heart would be hanging over the side, and I want it to be full and in the center. So now what I'm going to do is stick that there for a look-see, because this piece, like her piece, mine has to be longer because of my sentiment strip like that. And mine, of course, is rectangle. Hers is a circle. So that's going to go like that. We will probably pop this up, I think. But first thing I'm going to do is pop this down. And this is going to go not on dimensionals because I'm going to be taking some of those red hearts that I got from the dollar store and put those on here as well. Why would I do that? Because I can, and it makes me happy. So we are gonna put this here. I like that placement because she has all those little gorgeous rhinestones that I absolutely love, right? So the trick is I think I'm gonna put the rhinestones in place first. And I already kind of knew where I was going to put them. They're going to go inside the hearts. At least that's where I assume is where I'm going to put them. This one definitely. I'm wondering if I need to get the next size larger. There's another size. There's actually 3 sizes. I just cut the sheet up so it was easier to handle. So there's the small ones in these. That's the one. Oh, someone's getting out there in their car. They cannot go through the snow. Oh, that one is stuck down. That one is staying right where it is. Isn't that cool? I got to look. Wonder, I must have had glue on my hands. So now I need to see, I might even add hearts in the O's. But I'm wondering if I want to keep it. If I might just do that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this to the center of the black. Now the more I look at it, the more I think, yes, it definitely needs to be a Valentine's. So maybe I will stamp it as such. I wasn't going to. I was going to leave it blank. The more I look at it, the more, yeah, that is so Valentine's. There is no getting around it, right? So do I want... I just do. So we're just going to go for it. So we're going to add 3 more hearts. Why? Because I can. Because it makes me happy. Now that's a Valentine's card, right? Ah, most definitely. So now we are going to stamp the inside. I wasn't going to, but you know, I can change my mind. I can change my mind. So now we have to figure out. No, I loaned the roses are red and violets are blue to my Aunt Carol. You know what? I'm going to save the inside because I do want the roses are red and violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you, right? Oops, the little heart. I can stamp. Nope, that's what I want on the inside of this card. So we're going to leave it like that because I am going to stamp it the roses are red. Because I want to. Because I can. So that's the card, everybody. I know I told you, be quick and simple, no fuss, just, you know, a cute little alternative, a fun one, a simple, doesn't have to be, you know, over the top. At least in my opinion, it doesn't need to be. So thanks for watching. I hope that you like this one. I like it. I like it. And I really, yes, I'm going to have my daughter drive me when the snow is over. Hopefully in a couple days. Well, I know it'll be a couple days. And I'll go get to stamp. Even if I just take the card over there and stamp it, right? So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you all come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.